Poland, a city brimming with history, will exceed your expectations. We created this guide to help you make the best of 48 hours in Krakow, so here goes. First, visit the Church of St. Peter and St. Paul. If you like shopping, there'll be lots of opportunities. Also, lots of opportunities for people watching. Near the main square, you can take a ride in a horse-drawn carriage. Wawel Castle, built in the 1300s, consists of several buildings around an Italian-style main courtyard. Wawel is one of the largest castles in Poland and represents nearly all European architectural styles, including medieval, Renaissance, and Baroque. Wawel Castle is a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Located at one of the oldest universities in the world, this clock's historical figures parade to music from the 16th century. You can visit the oldest synagogue in Poland. The synagogue no longer holds services, but instead is a historical museum home to many Jewish artifacts. Make sure to visit the main market square. We recommend staying at the Golden Tulip Hotel. The rooms are modern and the service is fantastic. We dined at 3 amazing Michelin Guide restaurants. The first was Miodova. The inspiration for Miodova came from a cookbook written in 1897. They offer classic Polish dishes turned into works of art. The second restaurant was Nosem. The medieval-styled restaurant is lovely and full of hung tapestries. The ambiance is classy but not stuffy. They serve classic Polish dishes with modern updates. The last restaurant we dined at was Szara Ges. Szara Ges means gray goose in English, and it has carved out a unique niche, offering innovative dishes from traditional Polish cuisine with an emphasis on poultry. When you visit, you must try their gray goose dessert, a goose egg-shaped dessert nestled in a nest of cocoa shredded wheat. The dessert is set in a nest of cotton candy and is a work of art.